In this video, we return to Resurrection Auto Body, known in the Olympia, Washington area, for restoring classic cars and much more. Luckily, they were repairing holes in thin door panels of an old VW Bug, and we had the perfect product for them to try.
The heat affected zone on the first weld here with the product, heat freeze, is much smaller than even with a smaller weld on a smaller pinhole. So, and the warpage is less, even though I welded more. So this area, we've actually placed it a little too close to the hole, and we're causing gas to double back around the cup and cause problems with the weld in there. And it was almost taking too much heat away, so it wouldn't hold in very well. So we'll pull that away, and there is no heat affected zone to speak of, but it also did not weld very well because the material was too close to the area.
When working on thin metals, you can still place the heat freeze close to the weld. Just use less paste to prevent the heat freeze from working too well. If you notice the heat freeze drying out, you can always add water to bring it back to its usable moisture content. After allowing the weld to cool, remove the heat freeze and return the paste to the jar. You can use a wet rag to remove the residual product. Heat freeze welding heat absorption paste can be used in any position and applied on or adjacent to a variety of surfaces, including wood, glass, chrome, plastic, vinyl, rubber, metal, and painted on areas. It can even be used as a jig in jewelry applications. After seeing heat freeze in action, you'll realize how many times you could have applied this paste to welding jobs in the past. Oftentimes, it's necessary to braze, solder, or weld next to heat-sensitive materials, a process that requires time-consuming disassembly and reassembly. With this heat-resistant paste, you can make weld repairs without the need to disassemble parts, saving time and money. Heat freeze also guards against heat damage to insulation and electrical wiring and protects galvanized metals during the welding process.
Because there is a little heat affected zone around each one of them. We'll grind these down and hammer them out with a dolly, and that'll stretch them back out slightly. But the area around it has not warped much because the heat affected zone was concentrated instead of spreading out into the panel like most times when you weld, your heat would be clear out into here by this time. And right now I can put my hand right on it after we've just welded it a minute ago or less.
We'd like to thank Sean, Jim, and the guys at Resurrection Auto Body for their feedback on the heat freeze reusable heat paste. You guys are awesome. If you can't find what you need locally, take a look at muggyweld.com for unique welding supplies, and then you'll tell your friends to muggy weld it.